Hi guys, today's video is not going to be about tech or camera stuff. Unfortunately, this outbreak has affected a lot of people, even for me. There's about 1.2 million cases worldwide and 1.3 thousand people affected in Singapore right now. It's quite a serious case, so this video is actually meant for me to record on this period of time where this outbreak has affected so many people and especially how life it is in Singapore. Currently, the situation in Singapore is still not a lockdown. It's called circuit breaker. It's kind of funny, I know, but basically it's still quite strict measures pertaining towards population control. Now, there are funds out there which helping self-employed people or freelancers such as myself, so I'm quite grateful for the Singapore government for doing that at this period of time. Now, they even provided this kind of washable mask. So basically, it's a black reusable mask which can be washed. It looks quite okay in my eyes, but basically this is how it looks. So, and as you guys can see, my hair is actually getting long. I'm going to be bringing this little pendant with me to record with my Insta360 Go. So I'm going to head on out with my mask and let's see how the local scene really is. Alright, so I'm back. As you guys can see, the situation in Singapore is still really quite okay. Everybody is just being cautious, wearing the mask. Some of them are minding the 1 meter distance. Unlike a few days back, which they have announced the close down of certain places, everybody was panic buying. Let me show you guys a clip on a few weeks back, which this whole coronavirus hit Singapore. So comparing that with the trip that I just made, the situation is actually quite okay. Everybody is just being mindful and just putting on their face mask just like what I did and minding this 1 meter distance. As you guys can see, some of the stores are much more cautious of this distancing and has implemented this temperature check at their door front. Singapore is definitely still below the 5-digit range for infection, so everybody is just being cautious and just being careful during this period of time before it gets worse. So during this period of April to May, it will be considered this circuit breaker period. We just mind our distance and some non-essential business will be closing down. So for all you guys who are interested what camera did I use this Insta360 Go, which I basically just place on my chest and just walk around and filming all the shots which you just saw. So if not, please take care during this period of time. I know some of you guys are having a very tough period during this outbreak of a total lockdown. So let's help our country flatten down the curve and be able to tide through this period of the outbreak. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.